So let me now jump on the next subject, which is flexible printed substrate for a smart heating solution. So let me first introduce ADDEV Materials. We are a mid-sized company based in France, close to Lyon. The headquarters is in Lyon, actually. I'm based in Saint-Chamond, close to Lyon also, about half an hour, far from Lyon, where I'm located with the lab. ADDEV Materials is a mid-sized company, 800 people, 210 million euros over the world. We are in between in the value chain, big chemists like DuPont, Nemours, 3M, to name some of them, and tiers 1, 2, and end customers. We have three main pillars: materials, processes, and services. We have two main activities, or two main strategic activities, which are aerospace and defense on one side, mobility, industry, healthcare on the other side. When you look at ADDEV Materials, you have added value on materials, and we are really on three main activities, I would say: expert distribution for chemicals and adhesive for the aerospace and defense, and the two product line that we have, tapes and film converting, and we have also this special manufacturing. So if I jump to the team I'm leading, it's ADDEV Tech, the innovation center at ADDEV Materials, the innovation accelerator of ADDEV Materials, based on three main pillars also here. We develop together, meaning we have a collaborative way to work with customers, always bringing some sustainable solutions. And we are a mid-sized company, but also my team, or the team who is developing solutions, has this agility to really scalable the solution and go farther, faster in industrialization. Coming back to the subject of today, Neo Heater is the thin, flexible heater solution we have developed, which we are now commercializing in some applications. It's a thin, since it's 125 micron, flexible, of course. We can work on a roll-to-roll or process. It's based on a substrate which has a conductive layer on one side, electrically insulation on the other side. We use screen printing solution, roll-to-roll also, or sheet-to-sheet. We're using functional inks, dielectrical ones, conductive ones, silver inks, copper inks, where we print a circuit based on what the requirements are in terms of temperature, power output, taking into account the input power also. Due to limitation of some inks, we cannot go farther than 3 amps, and the power density we can reach in our solutions is something about 1 watt per square meter up to 2 watt per square meter for some applications. One advantage also to have our Neo Heater is the high-speed heating to reach the final temperature. Here are some examples of applications on which we worked. For space industry, for example, we worked on battery pack to maintain some cells at the right temperature. A lot of activity at the moment in the indoor application, whether it's for aeronautic or automotive, where the idea is to put some patches heater at different locations. Something very popular in the EV market, but also for the cold start for EV, but also for fuel cells. In industrial application, we can talk about wearables, where it's interesting to put thermal comfort, and also some medical devices for which we need to avoid any crystallization of liquids going through the pipe. We have this application